I am here at A.B. Anderson Hall installing this new artwork. I'm a ceramic artist. I've used clay that has come from all parts of the world, but this clay is really special because it came from right here in Duluth. The dark clay, the substance of the thing, is made out of clay dug at Glensheen Mansion. And then the lighter colored clay, or the slip is another way of saying it, is from a core sample near Isle Royale. The orange color is clay that I found right on Brighton Beach. And this piece is really, in some ways, memorializing, but in other ways, recognizing all of the amazing species that make up the ecosystem here. We have got a lot of really amazing young people working on how to make it better, and that gives me a ton of hope.